To play the Nameless mod in Steam, go to Workshop, TNM 2.0 in this case, and hit the subscribe button. Okay, now right-click Deus Ex here in the library, Properties, go to the Betas tab, pick TNM Access. Okay, and now we can hit play. Play the Nameless mod here. I guess so. Okay, so this pops up. Well, I'm gonna go for DX10, 1080p, next. Okay, of course you have to have Deus Ex revision, in case you didn't realize. Well, let's install Deus Ex as well. Alright, so that's done. Let's start Deus Ex. Galaxy 3D for some reason has 2 options. Alright, and let's run it. Okay, there we go. There we are. Let's get right in there just to test.
The only account number on these ATMs is 012345 and the PIN is 6789. Try logging on from both ATMs and then hacking one of them. You'll notice you can't get any money from the other one because you hacked the only account. Or just move on to the next room. Your choice.
Anyways, it's working. Alright, see you next time. Ciao.